of TEKI. TEKI is mean change, when we change the noun into non-adjective. For example, ISH or like ISH. So how to use? In Japanese, when you use the TEKI, you should use the noun and followed by TEKI. And in TEKI in here, you can use with the kanji or you can use with the hiragana as you see here. But actually, in Japanese for advanced writing, advanced communication, they don't use the hiragana. They just use only the kanji as you see at the booth one. So remember. Let's go to see some example together for how to use TEKI. 私は基本的に何でも食べます。私は基本的に何でも食べます。Which means that basically I eat everything. Basically I eat everything. In this sentence, you see that when they use the noun, 基本is mean basic. But when you use the TEKI, you can say 基本的 which mean basic calling. From basic to basic calling, right? I eat everything. 何でも食べます which means I eat everything. The next example. これは政治的な集会だ。これは政治的な集会だ。Which means that this is a political meeting. This is a political meeting. In here we see that they use the noun 政治. 政治 is mean politics. But when you use the TEKI and you say 政治的, 政治的 is mean the political, something like this in English. So this is a political meeting. 政治的な集会. 集会 is mean together or have meeting together, something like this. So you can say meeting, political meeting. Let's see the next example. 彼女は金銭的な理由で退学しました。彼女は金銭的な理由で退学しました。Which means that she dropped out of school for monetary reasons. She dropped out of school for monetary reasons. In here we see that they use the verb 金銭, right, with the TEKI. 金銭 is mean the money or the financial. But when you use with the TEKI, they can say 金銭的 is mean monetary. Monetary is mean the money. 金銭的な理由 monetary reasons, right? で退学しました which means he dropped out of school because he or she has no money. She has the problem with the money. So you can say 金銭的な理由で退学しました which means monetary reason. The next example. 健康的にこういう食べ物は体に良くないよ。健康的にこういう食べ物は体に良くないよ。Which means that healthy, these kinds of foods are not good for body. Healthy, these kinds of foods are not good for body. You see that in this example, they use the verb or the noun 健康, right? 健康 is mean health of the body, right? Health of the person. So they use the TEKI. So you can say 健康的 which means health. 健康的にこういう食べ物 which means health. This kind of foods 体に良くない which means not good for the body. That means if you want to eat something good for your health, good for your body, right? You should eat the good food that has the vitamin in there. So this is about how to use the TEKI with the noun. So actually when you use the verb, the noun with TEKI, it has the meaning that we can say, I see here they say healthy, right? Healthy or monetary, something like this. So I hope that you understand about how to use. Remember that when you use the TEKI, you can use only noun. You can use noun in adjective or verb. The next, very much for watching my video clip, and please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next time. ありがとうございました。